Hello Duster people, it's Merv here. Another little tip. I've just had to take the dashboard apart to change some bulbs in the heater controls. I had to take the radio out, and by taking the radio out you have to then reset it afterwards with a key code. So I thought it's a little bit fiddly, so what I thought I'd just do a very quick video on how you actually reset your video if you've disconnected the battery or you've had to take the radio out, etc. Now this only applies to the CD radio, so the ones you can find in the early phase ones. My Lorryette did have a CD radio, and I think the year after they changed it to media nav, so I expect most of you have actually binned them by now, but I'm old school. I still like to put a CD in, so this is where you find your key code. I have to excuse the rain, it is absolutely hammering it down at the moment. Anyway, the key code's actually found in your handbook, not the radio book, but the actual handbook. Right at the back page, you'll see there's a lot of information, and then right at the bottom, radio number. Mine is 6971. So when you turn on your car, your radio for the first time after having it unplugged from the battery, you'll get this code. So it wants you to put the 4-figure code in, and you simply do that by the buttons here. So 6, you basically press it 6 times. Then for the next number, you use the number 2 on the memory. Mine's 9. And then the next one, the third one along, you press button number 3 to the required number. And again for the 4th one. And once you've actually done it, then you press the 6 button, hold it in, and there we are. And all your stations are lost, I expect, that you've programmed in. Oh no, they've remembered them. Yes, that's good. So all the stations are remembered. So anyway, hope that helps, and see you again.